Most content creators have the same problem. Great ideas, no time to produce them. Hiring an editor costs hundreds per video. Doing it yourself takes hours you don't have. So content sits unfinished. Channels grow slower than they should. Sojano fixes that. Here is the idea. You write a script, you submit it. Within 24 hours, a fully produced video lands in your inbox, ready to upload. No camera, no editing software, no freelancer to manage. You do the thinking. We handle everything else. Here is what the process looks like. You submit your script through our platform. You choose your format, a short, a standard video, or a long-form piece up to an hour. You can upload a voice reference if you want consistency across videos. Then you wait. Within 24 hours, you receive a private download link, a complete video, voice, visuals, fully assembled. You open it, you check it, you upload it. That is the entire workflow on your end. The output includes everything a professionally produced video needs. A presenter, supporting visuals, carefully matched to your topic and script, proper pacing, clean cuts. Every video is built around your content, not a generic template. Pricing is simple. Pay per video or subscribe for volume. No hidden fees, no subscriptions you forget to cancel. You pay for what you use. Early access is open now. Limited spots. If you are serious about publishing consistently, without burning out or spending a fortune on production. Sojano is built for you. Submit your first script at sojano.com.